Hi children, how are you? Welcome back to your online classes conducting by Surya Vidyaniketan. And this is time for English, 5th class, 2nd term. And here are the second lesson, the Song of Songs. And you can see in the picture some musical instruments, no? And here they ask her to write which one is not an Indian instrument. Yes, of course, it is guitar. No? And before going to the lesson, we have to learn the meanings. Here, exquisite strains means extremely beautiful notes. Rag Darbari, a tune in Hindustani classical music known to be very difficult to play. Astral life, simple and strictly disciplined life. Daily chores, everyday household or routine tasks. And get round him means make him change his mind. Exasperated means annoyed. Melody means here sweetness. And hypnotized means here totally lost in the beauty of the music. And if we go to the lesson, in this lesson we are discussing about the meeting of Akbar and Tansen with Sanharidas. And do you know who is Akbar, Tansen and Sanharidas? Yes, you know the Akbar is an emperor and Tansen Tansen is the musician of Sanharidas, musician of Akbar's court. Okay, Tansen is the musician of Akbar's court, and Sanharidas, he is the Guruji of Tansen. That means Sanharidas was the Guru of great Tansen. Okay, go to section 1. Here section 1 starts with the music of Tansen in Akbar's court. And here Tansen was so tired as he was singing for a long time. And he laid his tambura on the carpet as he was so tired, exasperated. And he sang the exquisite strains. Exquisite strains means here very beautiful notes of Rag Darbari. And do you know what is meant by Rag Darbari? Yes, it's the tone in Hindustani classical music known to be very difficult to play. And you know, Akbar was very fond of Tansen's music and he praised Tansen and said that he listened to him every day, but he can't seem to have enough. Yes, that means here he never gets tired of listening him. And Akbar said to Tansen that he was the most wonderful voice in the world. He praised Tansen that he has the most wonderful voice that he ever heard. That's in the world. He has the most wonderful voice. And then Tansen told to Akbar that, no, Shansha. Who is Shansha here? Yes, Shansha means the king of kings. That means the emperor. Here, emperor is Akbar. So, here Shansha means Akbar. No, Shansha. I'm not the one you said. I'm not have the most beautiful voice in the world. There is someone who sings far better than me. And Tansen said that there is someone who can sing better than him. Akbar was disbelieving on his statement and asked him, then he must have him sing in my court and arrange for it. Akbar asked Tansen, if there is someone who can sing better than you, arrange him for sing at my court. Then Tansen shook his head and said that he was afraid that he will not come to his court. Oh, Akbar was the emperor, no? And he asked Tansen, not even he if he hears that the emperor himself requests him to do? Here Akbar asked Tansen that I'm the emperor and I'm asking him to come to sing my court. Even he hears that the emperor himself requests him, he won't to do it. Then Tansen told, no, not even then. Maybe you are the emperor, but even then he won't come to his court. This reply would have enraged any other emperor. Enraged means here? Will make angry. No? If anyone reply like that, any other emperors would get angry, no? But Akbar, however, was different. And he said, very well, Ustadji. Here Ustadji means Tansen. And he said, okay, Tansen. And smiling into Tansen, so half scared as he was half scared what would happen if he won't come to it. He is not the person. Those who are singing better than him is not agreed to come to the court. So he was so scared, and if he doesn't come, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him? Then Akbar asked Tansen, if he is not agreed to come to my court, I shall go to him myself. I will go to him. And will you take me to him? Can you take me to him? Okay, then Tansen accepted to take him on the condition that Akbar do not go ask the emperor of Hindustan. He said, Tansen said, okay, I will take you to the person, and on the one condition, that is, you do not go ask the emperor of Hindustan. And do you know why he said? Okay, I will explain it. Then Akbar said, okay. He said, he should go ask the humble lover of music. Humble lover of music here? That means here he will go to listen to the music and not expect to be treated as the king. Here he is the emperor and he won't get any treat as the king. That's why Tansen told you should go as you should not go as the emperor of Hindustan. Okay, children? Here, Sanheridas was the man Tansen had spoken of. Here Tansen said no, someone who can sing better than him is Sanheridas. And do you know who is Sanheridas? Already I told you that Sanheridas had been Tansen's music teacher, and he lived in the austere life of a hermit. Austere life means simple and strictly disciplined life. He was very strict and he lives in a disciplined life as a hermit. Hermit means a person who lives alone, away from people. And both of them reached Sanharidas's hut. Both means here Akbar and Tansen reached the Sanharidas hut. Then he was in his daily chores. That means everyday household or routine tasks. They requested him to sing for them. But Sanharidas said firmly means here straightly, no, I'm long past the age of singing. I can't sing now. I'm long past the age of singing. Even his favorite pupil means here, that is Tansen. That Tansen was his favorite student. Pupil means here student. And he could not persuade him to change his mind. Persuade means convince here. Tansen can't convince him to change his mind, and he asked many times to sing a song for him. But Sanheridas said straightly, no, he can't sing. Okay, children, we should continue the lesson in the next class. So, you underline the hard words and check the dictionary check and enter it in your classwork. And thank you for watching.